In the previous part, we have seen how we can add data using Eloquent. Now in this part, we are going to see how we can mass assign or add multiple records inside our database using Eloquent. So for that, we have to tell Laravel that which columns are fillable or which columns can be added using mass assignment. So for that, you have to go inside your inside your model. In my case, it's brand.php, and at the top you have to type hash open array, then type fillable, and inside the fillable function you have to pass another array and type your column names. So in my case, I have name, I have slag, and I have image. So I am telling Laravel that these columns can be mass assigned. If I don't specify them in here, Laravel will block me for mass assignment. So now after adding these fillable columns inside the model, let's go back to the controller and comment this out, then call my model. After that, create, then inside here I will pass my column names as a key, then the values. So the value, let's call this Nike Pro, then the slug, let's call this Nike Pro as well, and the image as image.jpg. That's it. Now let's go back to the browser, refresh. We got our message added successfully. Let's go to the database, refresh. Now as you guys can see, our data has been added, but we only added a single record. To add multiple records, you have to warp this array inside another array. So let's move this at the bottom. Now we can add as many records as we want. So let's copy this and paste it here, change this one to 1, add 1 here as well, comma, then change this to 2, 2, and let's add one more record as 3. Okay, and change this one to 3 as well. So everything is done. Now let's save everything, go back to the browser, refresh the page. Okay, we got an error. Let's go back. Sorry, for the mass assignment we have to change it to insert. Now let's go back, refresh. Okay, we got added successfully. Now let's go and refresh, scroll down. As you guys can see, all my records have been added successfully. Now one important thing, that in the Laravel 13 we use PHP attributes for fillable, but in older versions, if you work in the older versions, instead of this there is another way that we define our fillables by typing protected $fillable, then our column names, so slag and image. In in Laravel 13 we use this method, but in Laravel 12 and below, if you want to define your fillable columns, you have to use this way. Otherwise, in the new Laravel, use PHP attributes to define your fillable columns, but don't use both of them. So let's delete this one and save.